Good morning. This is Robert Kaars Sijpesteijn bringing you this morning's market update. This morning, HSBC revealed its profits have dropped to 62% after a series of one-off hits eroded the bank's bottom line, while BHP Billiton swung back to profit for the first half of 2017 and rewarded shareholders with a dividend boost. In response to this, the UK 100 is down 0.3% this morning after dropping 3 points yesterday to close on 7,300.4. Shares in Unilever finished more than 7% lower yesterday after talks around a potential deal with Kraft Heinz were called off over the weekend. The proposed takeover was revealed on Friday, sending FTSE 100 listed Unilever shares price up 15% and Kraft's up by 4.3% in pre-market trading in New York. In Europe, the Germany 30 added 50 points yesterday, closing on 11,831.4 as the index continues its bullish run. Further to this, ministers took a step towards resolving the splits with the IMF on the next stages of Greece's bailout programme during a Eurogroup meeting on Monday. The announcement marks a sharp change in tone from the spat between the EU institutions and IMF earlier this month, after Europe criticised the fund's bleak assessment of Greece's debt sustainability. In the US, the Wall Street added 54 points to close on 20,655. The US Tech 100 gained 16 points to close on 5,336.88, and the US 500 rallied 6 points to close on 2,355.38. In today's corporate news, HSBC revealed its full-year profits plunged 62% and repeated its warning that the bank is considering moving 1,000 jobs to Paris because of Brexit. BHP Billiton reported it is back in profit for the first half of the year and announced a dividend hike. Anglo American will report its preliminary results for the year ended 31st December 2016. Intercontinental Hotels will announce its full-year preliminary results, and Walmart, the US supermarket giant, will report earnings today. In today's economic data and focus, at 7:45, French Consumer Price Index for January was released, whilst at 8 o'clock, 8:30 and 9 o'clock respectively, we'll have the French, German and Eurozone Market Service and Manufacturing PMI released for February. At 9:30, the UK Public Sector Net Borrowing is released for January. At 10 o'clock, Governor Mark Carney will hold a speech, and at 1:50, the US Federal Open Market Committee speech will take place. That's all for this morning's market update. Thank you and goodbye.